tape it, and make it. Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you a taping technique for frontal sinuses problems and sinuses problems. We will perform the taping technique here and here in the face. We take a roll of our Kintex classic tape, cut it exactly at the line 2 inches, then cut off the strips exactly along the lines. We have already prepared these strips and rounded the corners. My colleague will now show you the exact taping technique. We divide the first strip in the middle and tape it underneath the eye without pulling. Glue the second strip above the eyebrow, also without pulling. We do the same on the other half of the face. This taping technique is especially suitable for the night. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it.